Are you ready for your 3-minute breather? Let's release what saddened you this week. Now breathe. Take a deep breath in. Hold it 2, 3, 4, and let it out. 6, 7, 8. Think of what makes you happy. What makes you feel happy? Now let any sadness be soothed. Imagine a smooth balm on your sadness. Now give yourself a hug from you to you. And believe in yourself. Look at your sadness and gently use the smoothing balm. See a calm future. Put aside any doubts. Now see yourself as a content and calm child. This is using your imagination for good. You are such a calm and content child. That's great. Now think only of the good that you do. Imagine you have a t-shirt on and it says the words, I am great. I am adventurous. Where do you see yourself on a path to? Great job. Now, does it feel less tense? Do a self-eval.